this is my clinical decision checklist / tree. Here are all the interviews / surveys that I would use. The open-ended functional assessment interview, parent / teacher survey, motivation assessment scale, and direct observation. First, I would start with the open-ended interview because it gives me detailed information and it helps me understand the context of the behavior and what the adults are seeing and what they think is contributing to it. It also helps me perform an initial hypothesis before collecting more structured data, and this is where we start to see a little bit of what's going on, like the bigger picture. Next, I would like to do the parent / teacher survey. This would help me compare information across settings. Sometimes what a teacher says is different from what a parent says, and this would help me see if there's patterns or if it's situation specific. Next, the math would give me a more structured numerical data. It would help me see trends if possible within the functions. And if the math results match the interview, it could strengthen my hypothesis. If it doesn't, then I would need more direct data, which leads me straight into direct observation. This would help me verify whether the patterns reported in the interviews are actually occurring. This step would make my assessment stronger and more data-based, so I would be collecting ABC data, be able to see in real time the antecedents and the behaviors going on, and would allow me to either confirm or revise my hypothesis. My last step is writing a clear and concise hypothesis for the function of behavior, what the antecedent is to trigger the behavior, and what the function of the behavior is. So overall, I would use all these tools together because the interview gives me the detailed context that I need. The survey provides information across settings. The math adds in the structured data, and the direct observation confirms patterns. And using these all will help me make a more informed decision about behavior function. So that is my clinical decision checklist. Thank you.